falch I fod yn nyrs achos dwi'n gwneud wahaniaeth I bywyd pobl eraill. I'm proud to be a nurse because I make a difference to other people's lives.
It's a really, really good, it's a brilliant job, you know. It makes you feel great about yourself, being able to help people and being able to just do something for them that would make them feel good.
I'm proud to be an A&E nurse because today I saved someone's life.
And it always seemed to be that, didn't it? Yeah. When we were in school, it was always what do you want to be, a builder, mechanic or electrician. It was never do you want to be a nurse. Fi'n falch yn bod a frailty support worker. I'm happy to be a frailty support worker and making a change in people's lives.
Making people happy makes me happy.
You know, just the fact that you've done something positive for somebody, which you wouldn't get, I don't think you'd get that anywhere else.
I think if you're going to be a nurse, you have to be a certain type of person, and everyone's going to see you as a certain type of person, and it's not true.
I think nursing is a great opportunity for men as well as women.